Hi friends, this is Vicky with Grandma Vicky Crafts, and today I'm just wanting to redirect you back to another video that I had made a year ago on this little bee gnome. He is made with tumbling tower blocks that you get from the Dollar Tree, a little bit of paint, a little bit of felt, just a little bee for decoration there, and a couple of pom-poms. And I painted the one yellow for his little nose. And the beard on this little guy is made from a duster. And you also get that from the Dollar Tree. So everything here is from the Dollar Tree. And just a fun, cute little project to make with your kids or your grandkids and put on display in your home on your little tier tray or possibly in your child's room. Thanks for watching.